Hello, this is Eric Hagen from 542.7 The Biome Bug. And now for Biome Explosion! After these messages. Biomes, 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 biomes. Biomes! And now for Biome Explosion! Starring Doug Bauer as Donald Dogood and Eric Hagen as Ziggy Fiddlesticks. Now for Biome Explosion! Episode 1462, Rainforest Rampage. On Thursday, May 26, 2001, on the news, Ziggy heard about a rampage of tree cutters cutting down a lot of the trees in the tropical rainforest. "I have to stop this," said Ziggy. Ziggy ran to Donald's house to tell him. He rang the doorbell. Donald answered. "Hi, Donald. Did you hear about the rampage in—"
"Say no more,"
said Donald. "Okay," said Ziggy.
"Well, then let's go."
As they boarded the plane to the rainforest, they just wished they would get there faster. 7 hours later, they got there, and they got out. "Okay, let's find those people," said Ziggy. As they searched, they finally looked up and saw a big machine that was cutting down the trees. They ran to it, and when they found it, they hid behind a tree. They called the police with a radio. Soon, police came to arrest them.
The end.
Thank you for listening to Biome Explosion. Join us next week for episode number 1463, Tundra Trouble. Goodbye. And a special thanks to Chris, who helped write the story.